Hello! Welcome to Miki's Kitchen. Today is the 127th day. I'll show you how to cook niku-udon or udon with simmered beef. I introduced Gyudon before on my 24th YouTube. It's one of the most popular donburi in Japan. Gyudon is beef and rice, and today's niku-udon is beef and udon. I realize how Japanese people love salty and sweet seasoned beef. Well, let's get started cooking. I've already made soba soup. If you want to know how to make it, watch my 124th YouTube. So first, I'm gonna cook beef. Before frying beef, I make sauce. Peel ginger and grate it. Then add sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Then mix well. This is the sauce. Next, thinly slice white spring onion. Okay. So next, heat a pan on medium heat. Then place vegetable oil. Next, add beef. And fry them. When the beef color changes, add salt. Then simmer them for about 1 minute. Okay, that's it. So turn off the heat. Now I'm gonna boil udon noodles. Today I use this dried udon. It takes 7 minutes to boil. Well, boil water in a pot. Then place udon in it and boil for 7 minutes. Three, two, 1, 0. Okay. So turn off the heat and drain the hot water. And serve them in a bowl. Then place beef, and white spring onion. Last, pour odashi or udon soup. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so delicious. The sweet and salty beef goes very well with udon noodles. You should try it. Well, tomorrow I'll cook another kind of udon dishes. So see you tomorrow.